I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use flashcards effectively. Start by creating flashcards that focus on a single concept per card. This keeps information digestible and prevents overwhelm. Ensure your questions are on one side and answers on the other, promoting active recall. Whether handwritten or digital, maintain clarity and legibility for optimal learning. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong study system. To maximize learning, always practice active recall. Try to answer the question before you flip the card over. This strengthens memory pathways. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your routine. Review cards you find challenging more often than those you know well. A simple three-pile system, know, unsure, and don't know, can help you manage this efficiently. This method significantly boosts long-term retention. Optimize your study sessions by keeping them short and focused, ideally around 20 to 30 minutes. This prevents burnout and maintains concentration. Varying your subjects during a study block can also keep your mind fresh and engaged. Don't forget to regularly test yourself on material you've already covered. This reinforces your knowledge and helps identify any areas needing further review, making your study time more productive. For advanced flashcard use, try incorporating visuals or mnemonics directly onto your cards. This can make complex information much easier to remember. Another powerful technique is to teach the material to someone else. Explaining concepts aloud truly solidifies your understanding. Remember to stay hydrated during your study sessions for optimal focus and energy. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. Consistent practice is key to mastering any subject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.